There.
Yeah.
Alright.
Press it right.
And then you can zoom. And when you're finished, you just press stop.
There.
Nasaan yan? Nay?
Where's the tae? That's the one, the barbecue sauce. Smell it. What about the bag? Halo? Nawala na. Sabi din, hindi niyo natandaan ha?
Mga.
Dahil naman yung bag ha?
You give me with a gun?
Cool. And that's the end. Guys! Coming! In the shelter,
Don't you stand in the ground.
rest in the shadow of the Almighty and memory from my
Help me light it up, please, guys.
Who's got a lighter?
Julian. Julian. Answer your question. What's your question?
Bakit daw naman tayo? Yan, yung tabi.
You forgot to bring.
Asa na si Paul?
Sa likod mo. Wala man na, hindi
Hindi mo
siguro
sisindi yan at napakahangin.
Iyan mo na. The thought was there sa sakay.
Dugoy.
No, that's a sun and thing. Sit down.
Doble kulong. Keep my all my shoes and clothes. Anong gusto niyo yan? This is yours. Ay, dalawa lang sila magkapatid.
Pagkas ano kasi si dati ko.
Mommy, you know your tae.
No.
What?
Tae.
Where?
There.
Hindi, grandpa ko.
Ting.
Natin. Kasawa ni
It's
Lola.
recording. No, no, don't.
I'm not touching it.
I got out in. Oh, they're done.
Gabi. Ang lakad mo?
Tama agad.
Hello, daming kalat kasi.
Yeah, there's 5,000. Opposite that is what? Cemetery, okay?
Man, those 5 cows won't be there next time, man. They'll be butchered.
Then kakain tayo ng malaki. Yan pakanan ng bayan ng Aguilar.
There's the mountain, the 8 little kids. Place?
Are you the youngest? Are you the youngest?
They don't know we're coming, huh? You don't know we're coming?
Been here earlier.
Black, sinabihan ko na sila, tuloy na wala kang permiso. Sinabihan ko si Boy. Sino nagbigay ng permiso ko pa rin na magtayo dyan?
Kasi ang naanohan ko dyan, nung pagkalipas ng, ng bagyo ba yun?
Babe, they started here for 4 years ago, believe me. Kasi I always come here. I'll always ng permiso kay Babe. Lupa rin to ni Babe. Sino nabigay sa inyo ng, ng rights to relax the house? Ha?
Si Mami.
No, she shouldn't. Because you can remove it. Kakausapin ko si Pechay at kausapin ng mayor ng Aguilar. At least, when you do something, you have to ask permission naman. And you know, well,
Nagtanong si Boy ng mga halaman dyan. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, tanimay niya eh.
Kasi tinaniman namin ng mahugani yung doon. Ngayon, pag siyempre wala kami palagi mahugani magaganda eh, kasi na eh. Pag lumaki yun eh, pwede mo na mag-ibenta yun. Pati yan sa gilid,
lupa mo ba doon may nakatira?
ay yung nagtitinda-tinda naman.
Sinabi ko magpapatitirahan dun eh.
Hindi naman tinitira, pinagtitinda
Hindi
naman.
ko pwede pakindahin dun. Wala siya. Pumunta ka. Wala. Halika nga, Paul. Halika mo. I'm gonna speak to these people. Ano ka ba? Where's Paul? Paul? Where is he?
Hindi ko alam. So this is the block up to here.
Up there. Paul! Mahal daw sa ng picture.
Why? About? Oh.
Oh, where is Paul? Can you call him?
Up to where the chicken is.
No, where the
Path is.
yeah, where the tree is.
You have to say tabi-tabi po.
That's something over here. Mine is a tabete. I want to find out.
Tabi-tabi po. Tindahan ba to? Tindahan to? Shit, build a basketball court and shit. What is it? It's on our block with your ancestors in it.
Si Auntie Babe sa vlog. Parasite lang lang.
So is this block still part of yours? All this?
I'm gonna call Tita. I'm gonna get Tita Pichi to influence the mayor of Laguna. Actually belongs to us before, but my grandfather told it to these people. Oh, gave it to them.
Ask them who the owner is.
I don't know. My friend, my business is not there anymore. Andiyan ba si Paseng?
Ah.
Nasaan?
Lagot ka. Means you're in trouble. I'm gonna burn the other fucker down, man. Huh? We're gonna go burn it. Before we leave. Burn! Two land hills, they're not even mountains.
May pakialam ka. You have the very right because it is your husband. May very right ka. He's your other half.
Alam ko naman, hindi sa kay Ate Lily na
Ano sinabihan mo? Kurtesi na lang nakakahiya. Magsabi ka, hindi ka naman siguro pipigilan nun.
Alam mo, yan lang yung lugar na yung pare. Dapat hindi pinayagan ni Gwen na tayo.
Eh gusto
Sabi
nga
ka
alihin na lahat
sabi nga
eh.
ni Boy, ano eh, paano yung bahay mo? Doon kung magpapatayo ka dyan.
Kaya si parang umuwi ako, hindi nagpapakita sa akin.
Pero kung wala kanya, hindi nagpapakita.
Hindi nagpapakita sa akin, usually nagpapakita sa akin. Sinabihan ko na siya, maglagay siya ng hollow blocks. Para yung trouble yan kay Babe. Okay? Huwag mong ituloy at kawawa kayo niyan. Ay, nasabi niya kami kay kaya Ben, ano ko nalaman ko doon? Yun eh.
What is mom? On our block?
Can I have a cigarette?
Wala pa. Ang bag yan. Ang bag yan.
Ano ba, nakatira ba yung sigara doon? Nakatira ba yung tindahan doon? With video kasi ang nandoon.
Sa kabila nga pa sila umaano doon. Pinunta na ni Ate Panin.
Alam mo kung gano'n ang mangyayari, gawin mo. Gusto mo nakatayo doon. Topahin mo. Kahit konting halaga.
Tinatanong na ni Ate Panin kung nabibigay sila. Hindi, sabi ko wala namang binibigay.
Papahan mo. Kasi parang pag-ano dyan, pupupahin siya lahat. Kasi hindi ganyan eh.
You have to write an eviction. Notice.
I'm gonna do the picture tonight to call this, to speak to the mayor of Aguilar because it's a hard body.
Yeah, and you
I'm
give
gonna
them
speak
eviction
to her because he asked me
notice.
about it. If I have trouble, I said yes. Kasi gonna speak to him. Ano lang ako, nakakasakit. Wala kami rito. Huwag naman nilang pagsamantalahan. Nakita ko, baka in couple of years, mansion na nandito. Ano pang natirang lupa ni Babi? Hindi naman nila pinagyayaman. Ganun pa rin. Si Daddy na nabubuhay na magsalit sa iday because hindi nila napagyayaman ang lupa. Ganun mukhang basura. Galit na galit si Daddy. Kaya nga kayo binigyan ay ka ng matitirahan ko para pagyamanin nyo. Hindi. Kasi po hindi rin. Papatayo na siya. Next time, Toy Story na to. Oh. Wala man lang courtesy siyang masalita kay Babe. Tapos nabalita ko sa Australia, they hated me because I came here and check it out. Okay?
Sino sabi sa inyo? Hindi naman eh.
Somebody told me, si Mami, ako daw nagugulo dito. Nagsusumbong sa paring tsaka sila Ami.
Wala naman kami sinasabi.
Na ako daw nagugulo dito. We have the very right naman. We have the very right. Ang inaano ko lang, nagpaalam ba kayo? Courtesy. Eh, gago naman pala yung asawa mo eh. Sa kalahati, bumbong naman yun eh. Ano ba inaral niya?
Huwag mo namang latlaitin eh.
Hindi, naiinis ako. Naiinis ako. Alam ko asawa mo.
Pinsan mo naman.
Hindi ko siya pinsan na buo. And they never do anything right from the beginning. Yun ang masakit doon. We tried our best. Okay? We tried. Masakit sa amin. Anong ginawa niya? Masakit din sa akin, nakala mo ba? Kaya nga si Daddy nagpalibing dito para kami bumabalik dito.
Ano ba ang ginawa ni Lucy?
Ang ginawa niya, wala siyang etiquette. Wala siyang manners na magsalita man lang kung ano gagawin niya rito. Okay? Yun man lang, di ba sinabi ko noon, magsabi kayo kay Babe. Yun lang naman hiningi ko sa kanila. Whatever you do, any movement you do, magsabi naman kayo. Kasi siya may-ari nito. Oh. Tuwing ako'y uuwi rito, sasabihin ni Babe, Beke, pakitignan mo nga. At tingnan mo nga kung may bakot na ron. Sabi ko, ba't ikaw nagpabakot? They live there. They should be the one who's gonna spend bakot there. Eh, hindi, si Babe pa nagpabakot. Oh. Hindi ko siya nilalait. Naaasar lang ako. Naaasar lang ako. Tuwing uwi ako dito, pinagsasabihan ako ni Babe. Tapos nagagalit siya, ina-attack doon sa Australia. Wala ang ano. Sabi ko, hindi naman siya. Ang hinahanap ko lang sa kanila, magsabi sila. Bigyan naman nila ng respeto yung tao. Yun eh. Wala. Tapos mababalitaan ko, they hate me because I'm interfering these things on. Ito sa lupa. Shit. Nung binibenta sa kanya ni Daddy, ba't hindi niya binili?
Wala kasi kaming pera mo.
Oh.
Kasi pag nandumating si Chuma, sinabi niya kaagad, kunin mo natin yung pera mo, saan mo kami kukuha? Alam mo namang, buti mayaman kami. Ngayon, nung, pinaghahandaan namin.
Good job. Good job.
Alam mo, hindi kita sinisisi. Na ano lang ako kasi, na-upset lang ako. Na-upset lang talaga ako. Hindi kita sinisisi. Pero naman, sana naman, if you were in our shoes, how would you do? Diba?
Dapat to. Yeah, tae. Maraming tae. Was this here before? You have cigarette
Show
still
me,
or
show me.
what?
Show me, I'm gonna do it.
It's recording.
You don't have to press this one.
No, it's, when you finish, you press it. I was just typing them already. 5 minutes.
Ako, hindi ko dala yung... You see my block of land?
Ito, huh?
Yeah, until to that house.
And then Auntie Becca's
There.
behind it.
And up to here, how you see how big it is. This is where we used to play, anak. I used to climb over that tree. This one here. You know, when we were young kids, Lolo said, this is Auntie Becca. That is for Auntie Becca's
Tree.
tree. That is mango tree. This is mine in the middle and Uncle Bert on there. And this is where it used to have a capre.
Capre.
That. This one. Yeah, that's Mabolo tree. Anak, baka suwagin ka niyan.
Place, this house, water thing. This one, garage
I
shed.
don't know.
What about this hole? Is that hole there before? Huh?
I don't know.
Is that the toilet?
It probably used to be.
Let me take a picture of you in here.
No?
Tae yan. Tae. Maraming tae.
Did Paul take pictures of Auntie Becca?
Huh?
Did Paul take the pictures of Auntie Becca's?
Land, yeah, I took some as well.
See that one there, that one?
What the? Mound? What is it?
That's what it when the lips.
So you have to say tabita po.
Tabi-tabi po. Yeah.
What does that mean? Get out of my way.
Excuse me.
I never seen no duende. You want me to take it now?
Did you take the front? Inga? The front. What about this school? When you take this school?
What's the school?
The next door. Ang pinukul.
Very deep. How many square ba ito?
Malaki ito ah. Nakita mo ba? Buong kabuuan. That's his school.
Remember this place? Much?
Huh?
Remember all this stuff being here?
Get up. Continue. Ah.
Everybody's got opinions, but they ain't been in my position. And it breaks my heart when I hear what they have to say about me. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can turn it off now.
Saan country ka na pupunta?
Pero sa Melbourne, ano ako dyan eh, 1997, 98. Yan ako.
That we are all so blessed to be loved.
Brisbane, Adelaide. Last year, nandiyan kami.
Sometimes we don't want to say.
Darwin.
Go straight.